Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up modal in Webflow, so let's get started. First, in your Webflow project, add a div block that will act as the pop-up wrapper. Set its position to fixed so it covers the entire screen. Adjust its width and height to 100%, and give it a semi-transparent background color, for example, RGB 0 and 0.5 to create a soft overlay effect. Next, inside this wrapper, add another div block for the pop-up content. Style this pop-up box by adding a background color, padding, and any content you like such as text, images, or a form. Now, set the pop-up wrapper's initial display to none so it's hidden by default. To make the pop-up appear, create a button or link that will serve as the trigger. Select the trigger element and open the Interactions panel. Add a mouse click tap interaction. On the first click, set the pop-up wrapper's display to flex or block, and then add a fade and animation to make it appear smoothly. Next, add a close button inside your pop-up content. For this button, create another interaction. When it's clicked, set the pop-up wrapper's display back to none, and add a fade-out animation for a clean closing effect. Once you've done that, test your interactions to make sure the pop-up opens and closes as expected. Finally, don't forget to check your design on different devices to ensure it's fully responsive. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.